Hi everyone, welcome to my video. This video is my May 2019 favorites. So my first favorite you might have seen from my Sephora VIB sale haul, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description if you want to see everything that I got. But this is one of the items, Briogeo Scalp Revival, and this was recommended to me by somebody that follows me on Instagram. I will say it does not make my hair feel as good as Overtone does, but it makes my scalp feel really clean. So I think it's really good for your scalp, not necessarily for the health of my hair or like keeping it super nourished and moisturized. So you just take this, apply it to your scalp and massage vigorously. I think part of one of the reasons why I love it is because I'm giving myself kind of like a head massage, because that's the whole point of the product. But it's really good. It has coconut oil, so it is also nourishing your hair. I just don't think it's as nourishing as much as the Overtone does. It's 6-free, which means it's like no sulfates, no parabens, no DEA, and 3 other things that I don't remember, but I'll put them up on the screen. And it smells, I want to say it smells good, but it also smells interesting. It kind of smells like those chocolate and green mints that like comes in your grandma's like variety mint pile or variety like candy pile. It kind of smells like that, but I really like it. I really think that that's a good smell. I don't know, maybe it's nostalgic. At the beginning of May, I got really sick and I was supposed to be going to Mexico, so I basically lived off of these immunity ginger shots. They have 3 flavors: pomegranate, lemon, and pineapple. And it's organic, non-GMO, cold pressed, and it has basically just organic juice, lemon and ginger juice. So it's really strong. It's very spicy, but it's supposed to like help boost your immune system. And it really worked for me. I felt better in just a few days, so I highly recommend this. And then I also gave up sugar later in the month. I gave up processed sugar, which included soda, and I had an upset stomach and I couldn't have ginger ale, and ginger ale is like my favorite of all sodas, so I was like really unhappy about having to give up ginger ale. But I just put one of these in sparkling water, and you know, it was like a really good healthy substitute, and I feel like I'll do that a lot going forward because it tasted really good, and you could obviously tell there wasn't sugar in it, but you still got a really good like ginger ale feel to it. So the next item, I did a video on this palette. I'm wearing part of it on my eyes right now. It's the ColourPop Main Squeeze palette. It's by far my favorite of any ColourPop palette that I've seen or that I've used. It's really pigmented. It's really easy to blend, really easy to use. Today I'm using the color Froze mixed with Like It's Hot. And I really love the way that it turned out. I love the way my other look turned out, and I can link that video as well if you want to just see me using the palette. But for $12, like, this is just such a high quality, gorgeous palette. So ColourPop Main Squeeze, this was their birthday palette as well. They always have discounts and deals, so I'm sure that you could get even a better rate than the $12 at some point too. Again, kind of going with my health stuff. Usually I have candy or snacks, and I was trying to be healthy this month, so I don't have candy and snacks for you, but I do have this amazing plant-based protein drink. The protein comes from pea plant, chia plant, hemp plant, and cacao, and it's 14 grams of protein. I feel so full after I drink it. It's vegan, obviously those are all vegan proteins. They have salted chocolate, vanilla and this cold brew coffee, but cold brew coffee is my absolute favorite just because I need the extra caffeine too in the morning especially. And I just love it so much, and I know that like you're all used to candy and this is super lame, but it's really good. If you try it, like you'll see what I'm talking about. It's really good. You won't even notice that you're drinking something healthy. So this next item was also from my Sephora VIB sale haul, and this is the Deva Curl towel. It's like an anti-frizz towel, and I really feel like it's made a huge difference on my curls. Like I still have minor frizz, but it definitely used to be a lot worse, and I can tell right away after I shower, even if I like really rub my hair dry with the towel, which if you have curly hair, you usually don't do that. You just kind of like lightly try to like take the water out of your hair because they're just like so precious. There's so many rules to curly hair, and one of the rules is like don't frizz up your own hair, but I feel like with this towel I can do that, and it's the perfect size for hair, and unless you have really really long hair, but I have probably like halfway down. I don't know if you can even see, and it covers all of my hair, so it's pretty good size. I highly recommend it. I do think it's working, which is kind of weird because I was very skeptical, but I don't think I'll ever put a regular towel on my hair ever again. This next item isn't really even fair because you can't get it anymore, but I know that they're going to restock it. But I got a set of the color changing Starbucks cups, and like you can even see if you hold it long enough, it'll have your fingerprints right there. It's just so cool. I know they're restocking these. I know they sold out super fast, and people are like black market selling them on the internet. But they're so awesome. I have like a million Starbucks cups, and I only use these now. Honestly, I have like a whole shelf that's just Starbucks cups because I just always want reusable cups, reusable straws, all of that. And I pretty much only use these 5. I don't even touch my other ones. That's how much I love them. And the second they come back, run to your Starbucks because they will probably sell out again. But they said they were coming back. I messaged them on Instagram, and they always respond to their comments on Instagram, and they said they were coming back, so I believe them. I actually kind of forgot all about this product. I stopped using it. I wasn't using it for a really, really long time, and then for my Fact Friday videos, I go through every single product of this company on Fact Friday. So if you do watch all my Friday videos as well, I'm covering all the products from this specific company, and this was going to be my Fact Friday this coming Friday. So it hasn't posted yet, but the Friday that's coming. So I started using it again just so I could, remember how and like application, and while I was learning all the product knowledge so I can share all the product knowledge, and I just got so in love with it. I really don't use it all that often, but it's just like a highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter, but you could just like dab a little bit on right there. I use it pretty much anywhere that you would use a highlighter. You could also put this underneath your foundation and just give your whole face kind of like a glow. But it's just like so pretty, and I'm normally not a super shimmery, glowy kind of girl because I have oily skin, so I'm always trying to like mattify everything, and I kind of stick to just keeping glitter on my lids or like on my lips and just letting my face be as matte as possible, and that's one of the reasons why I wasn't using it so much. But in the past week, I've been using it a lot more, and I've had a few coworkers compliment me on it, so I just wanted to highlight it and say it is a really awesome highlighter, especially if you're a highlighter girl. Like, check that out. And that was like just a tiny little pump, so this will last like forever because you could just do like half a pump probably and do your whole entire face with it. And now to go completely opposite from the glow, I have this Stellar Haze setting powder, and this is something that I also picked up at the VIB sale, but it wasn't in my video because I went separately just a couple days later, and I bought a few more things. They were just $20, and it's like anti-glow, but it also takes away like every pore you've ever had. Like, it's almost like Facetune, but in real life. It almost like instantly makes your pores disappear. And usually my go-to is Laura Mercier or Naked Cosmetics setting powders. This one's just kind of if I need a little bit of brightness, and this one is just like such a great powder. Everybody loves it. But I really think that Stellar Haze completely blows both of them out of the water. I don't think it's still on sale in Sephora, but it was only $20. Like, I should have bought like 20 of them. And I don't even know if you can tell because I don't know how the camera quality is, but let's see. We'll zoom in real quick, because I don't know if you can tell just how good this is at hiding all my pores. And it's not like I have super large pores to begin with, but like there's no, I feel like I face-tuned my face, even though I didn't. So I absolutely love it. It's such a great product. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Help me reach my goals, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!